Hello, hello guys, Silver Game of Thrones. How are you doing today? Middle of week, right? So I got a new package today. It is from GM Bullion. So what we have here? Okay. So this is first one. This is the series Through That Door series. I don't know how you guys collect it or not. I do collect them. And they have 5 coins. Okay, let me show you close. I think they mention it here. And they mention it here 2, 1. Yes. Yeah. So the back side is the same. I can make it close. Yeah, this is number 1. There is so many doors, so many choices. Like when you're young, right? Which way you go. Hard to understand. I like these collections. It's telling me that keep your mind open. You see, this is the open doors. This is kind of scientist. This open door with the music. You see the music notes. So beautiful. So cool. The next one is, you see, this is a body, mind, soul. It's telling us that we are not body, we are much more than bodies. You see, and this is a question, and there's another sign mark. You know who we are, right? Are we body? Are we mind? Or are we soul? Very cool. And next one, you see it, all kind of technical stuff. You see the electricity. And here you can see the fabrics. Solar panels, maybe? No, not sure. But it's all technical stuff. Also very cool. So this is a new one. Oops. Wow. That really fell. Good that it encapsulated. So the new one is number 5, Forgo Silver Round. It's just one door, you see. It is just one door. 9-door arc with one door. Typically, its round release have open door representing its number. This element is featured on all routes in this area, but there is a slight chance to this for the Forgo Silver Round. The 9 doors are still there, but door number 5 is not opened. I'm not sure what they want to tell by this, but number 5 is locked. They talk about number of times when you must forego making a decision, whereas the choice to act is too confusing or too hard to make, or the outcome is so unknown. There are times when no decision better than making a decision. This design clearly points to the situation in which the door should not open and it should not peek at the other side. Just be quiet. Right? So cool. Just be quiet, do not open doors. Sometimes, just take a rest and go vacation. Yeah, I like this design. That's very cool design. Forgo. There is a small keys here on the back sides. Very cool. And it's only 2,500 rounds like this. and the price is like $25. Okay, I don't know, guys. I have feeling such things will be very collectible. Of course, you need to be patient. You need to wait couple of years, maybe 2, 3, 4 years. But you know, from what I study, if you go anything more than 5, 7 years, go and find, you know, even panda or kookaburra, which is from, I don't know, from 2000, maybe 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, you know, and you will be having hard time to find anything which is no less than $100. You need to be patient, you need to wait, and then you will be rewarded. Okay, next one. Lisa Parker. Lisa Parker. It's a new coin I got. It's so sweet coin, unbelievable. I just saw it. I'm so happy that I get it. Okay, so Lisa Parker. First of all, they all have this sticker. Anonymous Mint. I am huge supporting of Anonymous Mint. I think I have 90% of all coins Anonymous Mint. Certificate of Authority. Lisa Parker Series. Snow Kisses. Limited edition. 427 from 750. You see? They're almost gone, half. There are only 750 of them. And almost 500 gone. And it just started, you know. Limited edition. This is what you need to collect. This is what I like to collect, and I show you. Snow Kisses. Now look on this. Snow Kisses. I believe it's 2 wolves. And look on this Snow Kisses. You see the upper wolf kiss the lower wolf. And there's another wolf on the back side. 1 ounce. Very cool. Beautiful coins, beautiful collection, and a little bit overpriced. I say they'll usually cost $27, $28. But hey, you don't collect 100 of them. I collect just one of everyone. And I want to show you the other collection, the other coins which I have. It's make it beautiful collection. You see the horse, you see the rabbit, you see the cat. The cat is, I like this cat. And the dog, I believe. Every one of them is unique and beautiful coin. Everyone. And the back is the same. Back is the same. Yeah, this cat is killing me. So cute, huh? Really nice coin. If you're able to grab them, grab them. I don't think they will last. Especially, you know, first version, usually they go fast. Okay, that's another addition coin into my collection. I have now full set of 5. I don't know how many more than you have. Next, I collect silver bars. I have plenty of them. And this is palm. This is first bar in my collection. I don't like these plastics, but this is like first one in my collection. Why? Because they're a little bit more expensive. I believe they pay like $30 for this one, but I say, okay, I want to have some once use, you know. What is special about this? Everyone says it's so special, pump. Yeah, it's very cute. It's new, glossy, once use, 1 ounce, 5 silver. It has this certificate number, you see. It has this AG 999 31 1 gram. It's legit. I believe it's legit, yeah, but it's very overpriced. I don't think I will have many of them, but you know, to have one of them, you know, silver is silver, but this is a beauty silver, right? Okay, I'll have art of precious metal transformation. Cool. And last one, I have Molon Labe. I have 2 ounces of this, but I don't have 1 ounce, so I purchase it. So it's different images of Spartan warrior standing in front, faces down on Persian war elephant. Persian war elephant. Yeah, very cool. Very nice. Intaglio Mint. I also have big respect for it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you very much. Please sign, please subscribe. Bye bye.